Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Studio. In this video, I want to tell you guys the method to get student mail for free. In this way you can enjoy student benefits. Note this is part 2 of my video. Make sure to watch its part 1 if you haven't. So watch entire video. Follow all steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. All the information provided on this channel are for educational purposes only. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. The channel is no way responsible for any misuse of the information. So first of all, make sure to watch its part 1. If you haven't, all data, all details, all links will be available in my website. So make sure to check that out as well. So after a day or so, 𝗘𝗗𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗧 will receive your confirmation mail. For that, open your browser. Then go to email site. Here log in using your email and password. As you can see, I have received my confirmation mail here. So first copy your user ID. Then go to this student portal site. Here put your user ID and date of birth. So this is out username and student mail. So copy your username and go to this site. Here paste your username. Your password will first 3 letters of your username, underscore last 4 digits of your user ID. So add your password as follows. Then reset your password. Now log into your student portal. For that, put your username and password. Your student mail will take 5 to 10 minutes for activation. After that, if I go to my student mail, as you can see, this is our student mail. You can also get Office 365 Education as well. For that, go to Office site and log in there. As you can see, this is our Office 365 Education. You can access your OneDrive from here. If you want to get AWS Educate, make sure to watch my video how to get AWS Educate using this mail. That's for all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Subscribe for more amazing content like these. Peace out.